Hi everybody, hope you are all fine. This is ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. If you are a student who got frustrated by writing many times your external exam, even though you are unable to pass, you are trying various methods, you are trying various tips, even though you are unable to pass the exam. Why students are getting failed in external exams? Okay, if you are one of those students, then you came to the correct video, and surely this video is going to help you, and I will try to motivate you a lot so that you will solve your mistake, you will rectify your mistake, and surely from next step onwards you are going to get success in your external exams. Dear students, don't worry. Let me tell you a small story, then I will proceed with my video. Imagine a patient who is suffering with various diseases is on the bed. Okay, the patient is very ill. If we go on visiting him and telling him the horror stories that about diseases only, yes, because of this disease you will die, sure, and soon you will die, okay, this disease is affecting your body in this way, then what happened? If the person who is expected to live for 1 week, he will die within 2 days. Is it right? Instead of that, if we keep on motivating the patient that take lightly the disease, it will go away, okay, have a good command, have good confidence in your body, everything, then what happened? The person who is expected to live for 1 week, he may live for 1 month. That is the motivation that adds to the brain of the patients. The same motivation students also like patients only nowadays. They got frustrated that they are writing the exam, they are getting failed, and they are losing hope, and they are blaming the universities, everything. They are blaming the education system. Yes, up to some extent there is a fault, everyone can accept, but what is in our hand, we need to rectify from our side first. Is it right? Now today I am going to show you what is the main culprit. Why is always students are getting failed in external exams? But there are some toppers who are regularly getting passed also. That point also we need to note down. There are some students who are regularly getting passed this exam. Then why most of the students are getting failed? I will tell only one reason. The reason that I want to tell from your side is lack of interest in exam. What is the meaning of this? Only one line. Lack of interest in exam. When you are writing your external exam, I'm not saying preparation here, I'm saying about when you are writing your external exams, you should have interest. Many students, what they are doing, they are just filling the booklet and they are coming out from the exam hall within one hour to 1.5 hours. Sir, I have completed 30 plus pages, sir. Even I failed. I have written all the answers, sir. Even I failed. Yes, you have written. You have completed 30 pages. Whether interest is there when you are writing the answers? What is the meaning of interest? When the examiner opens your answer books, listen carefully, my dear students. When the examiner opens your answer books, the examiner, once he sees your handwriting, there only we can find out that whether you have written the exam with interest or not. What is the meaning of interest? Interest means when you sit in the exam hall for more than 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours if you are sitting and writing the exam, this is known as interest. When the same, imagine two students, student A, student B. Student A has written 25 pages, same exam. Student B also has written 25 pages. Student A has completed those 25 pages in the first 1 hour only, and he went out from the exam hall. Student B has completed the exam in 2.5 hours. How many pages student B has written? 25 pages only. Then whose chance is there to get maximum marks, or which student chance is there to get past the exam? Student B's chance is there. Why? That 1 hour is not equal to this 2.5 hours, my dear student. This is frank point. If you write the same thing in 2.5 hours, that is known as interest. If you write the same thing within 1 hour, that is known as lack of interest. So when you are writing the exam, if you are writing the exam with lack of interest, then there is no way that 100 times you try, then the result will be failure only. So this is the reason, this is the main culprit why most of the students are getting failed in the external exams. Whether you will believe or not, with my experience I am sharing this point to all of you. When we see your paper, there should be some pressure that you should apply on your pen, that will show as an interest. When you sit in the exam hall for more than 2.5 hours, that is the interest. Okay, when you sit for 2.5 hours, then which means you are keeping more pressure on your brain, and many new thoughts will come and you will write in the exam. That is interest. Imagine that 25 or 30 pages if you write in 1 hour, whether really you are using your brain at that time? Highly it is impossible. So that's why implement this tip in your exam. Sit in the exam hall and have one goal. What is that goal? This time I will pass this exam. Leave about examiner, leave about the respective universities. I will write this exam, I will sit in the exam hall for nearly 2.5 to 3 hours. Then I will finish out this exam. Whatever you know your related matter, and if you don't know anything in the subject also, put your related concepts and you write the exam. Okay, imagine there are some students, 3 hours exam will be over, give your booklet, means still they will be writing the exam. Ask the result once. That is the proof. You people will have one doubt now. Many students will have one doubt. Sir, what is the guarantee that, sir, if we sit for 3 hours we will pass? Ask the students, check the results of the students who will always come out from the exam hall late. That is the only tip I will tell you. Ask the students, ask your friends who will come out of the exam hall in the last moment, whether the result is passed or failed. Yes, they may get failed, but you will avoid this scenario of frequently getting failed in the exams. So my dear students, if you see all the tips and tricks related to how to write the exam, okay, how to improve our handwriting, how handwriting plays an important role, each and everything, for each and everything I have prepared separate videos. That playlist also I am providing in the description. You can go ahead and watch that set of videos related to exams for more detailed knowledge. But today I thought to give you focus on this one. Have interest, keep full interest and write the exam. Surely you will get success in your external exams. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.